So, good day, sir. So, today I'll be presenting the 70% progress of our final project sa subject na user experience design. So, gumawa na po kami ng Windows for user and also mobile. And also, we created admin site, which is yung um, for user. Ay, for window pala. So, first na i-feature natin is tong admin site. So dito sir, dito sa may navigation bar, merong dashboard, product, orders, customer reports, supports, settings. So as of the moment, hindi pa po namin ito tapos. Yung dashboard, product, orders, and reports pa lang po yung meron. So dito sa dashboard, merong total sales, total clients, total products, and stocks. So dito yung sales overview, category distribution, and then product performance or status distribution. So dito naman sa products, is nandito yung name, product ID, category, price, stock, sales, and the action. So, dito may search products and then yun ulit may categories, sold, total stocks, and total products. So, dito scrollable siya. And then, dito naman sa orders, same lang din. Dito yung product list. And then, ito yung total orders, completed orders, pending orders, and then canceled orders. So, dito sa customers, hindi pa siya, ay, meron na pala. Meron pa ring customers. So, meron total clients, new clients, active users, returning clients. So, dito naman sa reports, hindi pa siya tapos. This is black. Then, dito sa supports, hindi pa rin siya tapos. So, sa Windows naman tayo ng user. So, same process lang, ay same design lang sa pinakita namin sa 30% progress namin. So, yan. So, dito first time on discount. So, iba rin yung product. Same sa better sale, bestseller on sale. Then sa running shoes. And then sa original sneakers on sale. And then dito, may animation siya. And then pag clinic, mapupunta sa men. So dito, discovers that merong introductory paragraph. And then, pag hinover mo yung button, mag-iba yung kulay. Same sa women and kids. So, ito yung logo namin. And then, dito sa may login or sign up. So, nagalaw siya. Continue. And then, dito sa may wish list. And then, sa bag. Then, sa may mobile naman, is scrollable siya. Pataas and pagilid. And then, dito naglagay kami ng menu for easy access. Then, mayroong buttons na shoes, men, women, and kids. Then dito yung wish list, dito yung login or sign up, and dito yung back. So, yun lang yung 70% progress namin, sir. So, rest assured po na matatapos to before the deadline. Thank you.